too. And the baby was saying, who's the double cheese? Open get out! Like that. And they go. They go to us and the three bears. Once upon a time, there was Goldilocks and his mommy. Her mommy told her to not go by the woods. But he saw a butterfly and ran after him. So he not be able to see. He ran after the butterfly and ran on the woods. But the butterfly was lost, and he was able to not find him way home. And he looked around there, looked around here, looked around screen, and he saw a very house. And it was a little house. He knocked on the door and see on the window. He peeped and looked nothing in there. He not tell him, but he go and in the house, and it was full of porridge. One it was so hot, one it was so cold, one it was perfect and ate it all. Hop! And and the next one he goes from a chair and relax. One was so grumpy, one was so soft, and one was perfect and walk, 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 and fell down. Ouch! And he said, go later. He go up the stairs and found more three bears. One was so grumpy, one was really soft, and one was perfect and sleep in the bed. And the three bears go home and he said, who ate my porridge? And the daddy bear said, who ate my porridge? And the mommy bear said, who ate my porridge? And the baby bear said, who ate my porridge? And they go to relax, and he said, who sit down on my chair? And the other one, who sit down on my chair too? And the baby was said, who sit down on my chair? Don't forget her! Like that. And they go over bed, and they go upstairs, and he saw who sit in my, who sleeping in my bed? And the mommy said, who's sleeping in my bed too? And the other one, and the baby one said, ah! The baby one said, who's sleeping in my bed? And the little, the Goldilocks wake up, and he ran and go home, and Mama ran afterwards, and I was playing a butterfly. Sorry, Mommy, and he never go on again. Bye!